Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by hunting the right image. Search Google Images with a clear keyword and add wallpaper to narrow results. Once done, open Tools and filter by size so you pick an image equal to or larger than your screen resolution. This preserves sharpness. Make sure to verify usage rights to avoid copyrighted content and download a JPG or PNG copy to a folder you control. Finally, name or move the file to a simple path so you can find it when setting wallpaper. You now prepare the image for your device. Compare the photo's aspect ratio to your screen. For example, 16, 9 for many laptops or 9, 16 for phones because mismatched ratios cause unwanted cropping. Use a basic editor to crop and position the focal point where important content won't be cut off, and tweak brightness or contrast so icons remain legible. Once done, export at the original resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. Make sure to save a copy so you can revert if needed. You finish by applying the wallpaper through your device settings. On desktop, go to Display or Personalization and choose the saved file. On iOS or Android, open the photo and select Set as Wallpaper, adjusting for lock and home screens. Once applied, verify alignment and icon contrast. If you want rotation, enable the system option or use a trusted wallpaper app. If the image won't stick, clear any wallpaper app cache, confirm file permissions, or restart the device. That usually resolves permission and cache.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.